Today we talk about how can you disable messages or notifications on your Meitu app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on system accesses management. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Click here on notifications here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on notifications. So then you come to next step here, click on notification categories. Come here to messages. Clicking this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's the main messages notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.